prepare well for them. And I am revising the important topics regularly, isn't it? So another important topic in your EVS subject is things that we get from animals. See class, we all know nature is giving us lot of things. Whatever things we are getting it from nature. Sunlight, such a bright day, every day we have sunlight, nature is giving us. Think of one day when sun will not rise. Every day sun is rising in its own time, on its own time. Sunrise अपने आप होता है. Just think of one day when sun will not rise. Sun उठे नहीं and keep sleeping as sometimes we do. No, that don't happen. Because if the sunrise will not be there, it will be dark everywhere. ऐसा तो हुआ ही नहीं है ना आज तक. If you have seen, जब भी cloudy weather होता है, clouds sun को cover कर लेते हैं, कितना black dark हो जाता है हमारा सारा atmosphere, isn't it? हमारा सारा जो surroundings है वो सब हमें dark दिखाई देती है. But when it is a bright day, a sunny day, we feel so excited about it. हमें इतना अच्छा लगता है, we go out everywhere, isn't it? So sun, nature is giving us water. From where we are getting this water? We are getting it from nature in the form of rain. Then again fruits and vegetables we are getting from nature. जो भी ट्री पे सामान आ रहा है वो नेचर ही दे रही है, isn't it? So we all are getting lot of things from this nature. The things that animals are giving us, these are the animals, they are providing us with some or the other thing. That too nature is giving it. Animals कहाँ से आए? Nature से आए ना. So again, the things we are getting from animals, somewhere nature is only helping us to get all this, isn't it? आपको ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है, you are able to breathe fresh air. From where? It's all about nature. So this is the main responsibility, or you can say the sole responsibility of us human beings to save nature also, isn't it? अगर trees नहीं होंगे, there will be no rain. If no rain, no water. If no water, plants पे fruits, vegetables कहाँ से आएंगे? Then from where you will get all the food that farmers are growing for us? From where these animals will get the things? देखो बेटा, animals से जो चीज मिलती है egg, animals को भी तो चीजें sunlight चाहिए होता है, water चाहिए होता है, food चाहिए होता है. अगर farmers food नहीं बनाएंगे, farmers will not cultivate the crops and other different items, how will you get food? आपको food चाहिए. These animals they need food to grow, isn't it? अब cow है, very well we all know that cow gives us milk, isn't it? We all know that. But from where cow is getting this milk? The food that cow is eating, वो उसको energize करती है. And from that energy cow is able to produce milk. वो उसकी body में फिर milk produce होता है, isn't it? तो जब healthy खाना नहीं होगा, healthy food नहीं होगा, तो healthy milk भी नहीं निकाल पाएगी ना cow. Cow will not able to give you healthy milk. So it is the responsibility not of only one but all of us together to save nature. And how we can do that? By planting more and more trees, by respecting nature in the form neither harm the nature, कभी कोई harm नहीं करिए, don't cut down the trees, don't make your environment dirty. If it is dirt outside, just clean it. Environment clean होगा, you will get fresh air to breathe. Is that clear? So in the topic farm and animals, in the topic animals, we have learned about different farm animals, wild animals, then water animals, about birds, insects. So all this is a part of nature. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now I have written the name of few animals on the board. So you have already done this topic earlier also. So today what we are going to do a revision of the things. You have to read the name of the animal written and then you will tell me what we are getting from this animal. Is that clear to everyone? So now it's you who will read the name of each and every animal written here. Now can you tell me what is written here on number 1? So which is the first animal we are going to discuss? Yes, read the name. It's a sheep. How we are going to pronounce it? Sheep. wool. So what are we getting? We get wool from sheep. Wool, I'll write that. Okay, I'll use a different chalk. So we get wool from sheep. So sheep is giving wool. Now if I ask you, name the animal that gives us wool. So you will write sheep. It can be asked either form. Either I can ask you to tell the things we are getting, or I can ask you the animals, the name of animals that are giving us the written things. Is that clear? So it can be asked in either way. Understood? Next we have is a hen. So yes, what are we getting from a hen? Can anyone tell me? We get Andika Funda. So what we get from hen? We get egg from hen. Yes, so you got it from Andika Funda. It's a very nice song, isn't it? So you can now, you'll never forget. So hen is giving us egg. So we'll write eggs here. One is eggs. Are we getting something else from hen? Yes, are we getting that? Okay, then tell me, what are we getting? We get meat from hen. Yes. So hen is the one who gives us eggs and meat also. Clear, everyone? Now next we have is goat. Meh, meh. You know where we find these goats? आपको पता है goat कहाँ मिलती है? On a hilly area, जहाँ पहाड़ों में, ठीक है? Like there are a lot of areas you can see goat, but not in the nearby areas. यहाँ पे लोग ना goat को बहुत rare रखते हैं. So goat are generally in Kashmir side. If you will go, you will find goats there. Clear? चरवाहे होते हैं जो इनको रखते हैं. The shepherds बोलते हैं उनको. So in Hindi we call them चरवाहे and in English we call them shepherds. Clear? So whenever you get a chance to visit Kashmir side or somewhere, you will find people, they keep goats there. Okay? Now can you tell me what we get from goat? Yes, we get milk and meat from goat. जो मैंने आपको बताया ना, जिन areas में goat को रखते हैं, they use the milk which is given by goat only for making different things. As we use cow milk, people use goat milk. Okay? So goat is giving milk and meat. Is that clear to all? Now next we have cow. Yes, what cow is giving us, we all know. We all love taking it. So cow is giving us milk. Understood? Next we have pig. Can you tell me what pig is giving us? What we get from a pig? We get meat and ham. Yes, what is the difference between meat and ham? Can anyone tell me? I have told you what is the difference between meat and ham. So ham is the fatty part of the pig. Clear? And meat is the rest of the portion. So generally people, they use ham, they preserve it and they use it for years and years. जो ham होता है वो preserve किया जाता है, जो pig fat होता है, it can be preserved. उसको preserve करते हैं in the form of, as we make pickles ना, तो the people who consume ham वो क्या करते हैं, इसको उसी तरह से preserve करते हैं as we make pickles, अचार, ठीक है? So they keep it, they preserve it and they keep on using it in their regular meals. Okay? Next we have, rather last, yes, the last animal we have here, or you can say the insect. See, even an insect is giving us such a nice thing which is having so good medicinal values also. What is medicinal values? दवाइयों में use होती है वो. So what is that? Yes, can you tell me what bee is giving us? Madhumakhi. What bee is giving us? Madhu. Honey. Yes. You know honey को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Madhu. So we get honey from bee. इसीलिए उसको मधुमक्खी कहते हैं. Clear? English में भी call it honey bee और हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मधुमक्खी. Why? Because this makhi is giving madhu to us. So we call it madhumakhi or you can say honey bee. Clear, everyone? Now let's have a quick revision. So class, sheep. Okay, I'll gives us food. Okay. Name the animal which gives us meat and ham. I'm talking about meat and ham. So who is giving us meat and ham? Meat and ham is given by pig. We get meat and ham from pig. Now can you tell me the name of animal who gives meat and milk? So we are giving a both side revision. So yes, name the animal that gives meat and milk. What's the correct answer? Goat. Because goat is giving meat and milk. Clear? Okay, next is, can you tell me the name of an animal who gives us eggs and meat? Hen. Very good. Which animal gives milk? Only milk. Cow. Great. So class, this is how it can be asked. Either the name of animal will be given or the name of product will be given. And you have to write the other. Is that clear to all? Okay. So now what we have to do? You have to do this work in notebook. Clear? So do this work in your notebook. How to do? I'll just show you. So open your EVS notebook and let's see how to do the work. Okay? Okay class. Now what you have to do? Open your EVS notebook and let's see how we are going to do our today's work in the notebook. Clear? So first thing is, first open a fresh page in EVS notebook and write today's date. That is 3rd December 2020. After writing the date, you have to write class work like this. Clear? Mention CW and then write the name of the topic, that is things we get from animals. Clear? You have to write the date, class and topic, classwork and topic. Then write down the name of different animals, like we have sheep, hen, goat, cow, pig and bee. So these are the name of different animals that we have learned, and we have learned that these animals, they provide us with different things that we use in our everyday life, isn't it? So let's start writing the name of the things we get. So the first one is sheep. So can anyone tell me what we get from a sheep? We get wool. Yes, we get wool from a sheep. So let's write that. Wool. We get wool. Next we have is hen. So what a hen gives us, can anyone tell me? We get eggs. So one is eggs, and what else we get? Eggs and meat. Yes, we get meat from hen. So hen is the animal which gives us eggs and meat. Next is goat. Can you tell me what are we getting from goat? Yes, we get milk. Very good. One is milk, and what else we get from goat? Milk and meat. Yes, we get meat from goat. So milk and meat, we get these two things from goat. Clear? Okay. Next is cow. Can anyone tell me what we get from a cow? We get milk from cow. Yes, you will write milk here. Understood? Next we have is pig. So what are we getting from pig? Pig gives us meat and ham. So we get meat and ham from pigs. Last is bee. So what a bee is providing? I just told you, madhu makhi. क्या देती है? Madhu, and Madhu is honey. Clear? So we get honey from honeybee. So class, what you have to do? You have to do your classwork like this, and after finishing your classwork, you have to learn them all with their spellings. Clear? And for spellings, I will again insist you, please do that phonetically. Mistakes hongi nahi. Okay, bachcha? Now please finish your work as I have done in a neat and beautiful handwriting. Okay? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to finish your today's work. Clear? After finishing it once as your classwork, you need not to repeat it. You just have to learn it. Clear? And now next, what is your syllabus for the upcoming tests? See, already shared with you. Repeatedly I am revising it today. The syllabus which is covered in the month of September, October and November. This all syllabus you are going to do for your PT test. Clear? And for this, please refer the syllabus booklet that you have collected from the school. School से जो आप लोगों ने syllabus booklet लिया था, open that and refer the syllabus given in the month of September, October and November. These 3 months syllabus you have to revise for your upcoming tests that are beginning from tomorrow. Is that clear to everyone? So class, now it's time to leave this video, leave this meeting you can say. You have to prepare well for exams and please attend your paper nicely in a neat and beautiful handwriting. Okay? Bye.